It's a really fascinating and complex question. If you're talking about the pace of life, the pace of information, and our attention spans, that certainly contributes to it, and contributes to it for a very specific reason. When we are moving fast, we have to make quick judgments. We're constantly processing information at lightning speed. What that does is it gives more free rein to our intuitive psychology, our system one psychology. And that system one psychology, as useful and wonderful as it is not good for complex problems. And what are you faced with big projects? Complex problems. If you're talking about big projects and AI and what AI might do for big projects, there has to be a fundamental change in AI before AI starts to have real uses, substantial uses in big projects, for a very simple reason. You can't trust it. It hallucinates. And if it hallucinates something that's easily fact checkable, you'll catch that. It won't matter if you're writing an email, you'll get that. But if it hallucinates when you're dealing with large, complex technical problems, that bridge you're building, it's going to fall down. So we can't do that. You have to have greater reliability than that when it comes to big projects. So will AI have a role in the future of big projects? Undoubtedly, but only at its core and in important roles after they've cracked that crazy problem of hallucination.